Hello and welcome back to my channel. And today I don't gonna make any tutorial about the Blender game engine. I'm actually thinking of quitting doing tutorials for that because I never use it by myself anymore. From a long time ago, I walked over to Unity and PlayMaker. Um, Everybody knows what Unity is. It's a game engine, and it look like this. And this is my latest game project. First time in Unity, I attempting to make a 2D game, not in 3D. I can say that I used to make 3D games in Unity, and when I tried to make 2D games, it works great. Um, you're really learning some stuff, but it's a great engine to make 2D games in. Great as making 3D games. So, this is Unity. You probably heard about that. And this is PlayMaker. PlayMaker is add-on for Unity. Uh, for people who don't know how to script C sharp. Um, when you make some function, make some script, you usually go like this, for example. If I want to make a script, going like um, something like a new script whatever here, and I need to open it. Um, but and here it comes. And here you go. Writing some code like so. Like I can't code for shit. Like this is like basic for C64. I'm trying to attempt it. It don't work. It's crap. I don't know C sharp. So we close that down again. Don't say this. I'm gonna delete this script file here. So don't need it. But I do know PlayMaker. So we're going to PlayMaker FSM here. And here we go. Visual scripting. So let's say this is number one level, so I don't need a code for that, but let's say I want to change this number to number 69 for some reason, I don't know, by pressing a button. So here is the state one. We're going to action browser, going to press search for, yeah. If you don't know what to search for, here is a list, recent functions I used, and here is all functions. So let's say I'm going to press a key down. We're going for input. Here is the lot function for inputs. Can get button down, for example. Uh, yeah, don't use that. That is maybe for controllers and stuff, but I go in for key down. Get key down. Yeah, this one. And here you can scroll a list. Let's say I'm going for the space button. So, and when I press space, I wanna send event. Press space. It doesn't matter what you write here. You can do whatever. So, don't matter. Like whatever. Press OK. Come down here. It's only for your own ability to see what it does. So, like holding control now and drag it over here. I can just making a new state here, and we're going to drag this one over here. Set property like, yeah, whatever. Text string, set value, I don't know, 69 maybe. Let's see what happens. And now we run this. Pressing space, you can see this in real time. So when I press space button, it changed to 69. So I made everything in this. So I don't need this function, so I'm gonna delete it from this project, but it's just an example. Here is my dude. It's a prefab. Explains why everything is gray there. Doesn't matter. I have one state here. It's movement control, and here is all the script for the control. Get axis. Save the movement input to a float variable here. Floats and vectors. And link it together here. It seems to be a little bit advanced, but if you know, if you're familiar with Blender game engines, Logibricks, this is better. It's more advanced, but you can do much more stuff with it. Here is some other stuff. So this is only movement control. This is health, so you can die in the game. And this is the state for health. So like if it have collision with anything that has a tag enemy, like if you're crashing into enemy, you will lose HP. It will add -1 HP. The HP is over here, so I just only have 2 HP. You can down whatever here if you wanna move more life. It's very easy to control. And it's play a sound, and then it go over to this, and right, yeah, it's a function here, so it's bouncing over here and back here sometimes. It's making a flashing effect of the enemy when it just got hurt. I could animate that, but I didn't. I made it in this PlayMaker script, visual script. Then when player is dead, it's die. So, right. Pickup keys also have goal. So when it's over here on the goal, it's go to next level. Or it's pick up the key here. It's get the key also. All right. Here it don't find the key. Weird. Going goal. Yeah. However, don't worry about that. The game, the Unity engine is completely free. It's the one of the best engine out there. The big two giants in engines is Unreal 4, it's now Unreal 5, and then Unity. If you're planning to make 2D games, I suggest Unity. If you wanna go for 3D games, and you don't know any engine before besides maybe Blender game engines, I suggest you go to Unity. But you have the search to go to Unreal 2. My choice, my game engine of choice was Unity. Um, how to get PlayMaker? PlayMaker costs money. It isn't free. It can be free depending if you how honest you are as a person. I'm gonna show you. Right. So here we have the Unity Asset Store. Many things are free here. Many things cost money. You search for PlayMaker. PlayMaker. And here is the PlayMaker. And yeah, it's much cheaper now. It's 50% off when I'm recording this. So if you want to have an honest copy of this, go and get it and learn it. A more cheap ass way, you can Google Unit Asset Collection PlayMaker, like free PlayMaker or something. Using Google, visit some random site like this one. You can go like tools, whatever. I think many of this stuff cost money. You can get it for free on this site and many other sites. I did get some stuff here and try it, but I will never ever uh, release a game with tools and assets I used that aren't paid for or free for real. Like I will never like do an unlegal copy and sell games. You can get in trouble with that. But if you just want to try out and don't know if you like it, yeah, you can get it from these sites. But if you decide to go with it, I suggest you buy it. It's worth it. Yeah, I paid full price when I got it, and I hasn't regretted for any seconds. So, Playmaker, great choice. You also have Bolt. It's now built in Unity, but here is Bolt. It's also visual scripting, but it's practically much more advanced. If you're really new to Unity and you can't script, you don't know any C# and something like that, I will I will recommend PlayMaker first. If you aiming to sometimes learn C#, I will go to Bolt second, and it's free, so you can go directly on Bolt, but it's much bigger learning curve for newbies. So I go in for PlayMaker. And the point is with this video is I'm planning to do a tutorial series of Unity with PlayMaker because that is what I'm using for my own project and what I know best right now. And there are tons of tutorials about Unity with C#, but it's a little fewer among Unity PlayMaker tutorials. So I'm into make a tutorial series for you newbies targeted to you noob new people that are not used to Unity and PlayMaker. So next time I'm gonna show you how to get Unity, get in PlayMaker, and make something simple of it. And then I'm gonna learn out some tricks and stuff. So you can give me some feedback in the description down below what you think about that, and if you want to have that tutorial. So for next time, see ya, have a nice day, bye.